Hi students, now the very important topic in the surface areas and volumes, that is the combination of the solids. Definitely guaranteed questions like this. They may ask for 4 mark questions or 3 mark questions. The combination of the solids. Let us take one example. A toy is made in the shape of a cylinder with one hemisphere. A toy is made up of a cylinder. This is the cylinder, and one end is made by hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. That means half of the sphere. For example, a ball, cut out the ball. The half of the ball is considered as a hemisphere and stuck at one end, and another end a cone to other end. A cone, ice cream, as we all know that it's look like a cone. The another end as shown in the figure, they given the figure. The length of the cylindrical part, the length of the only cylindrical part, that is 20 centimeter they given height of the cylinder, and its diameter is 10 centimeter. The diameter, as we all know that in a cylinder on either end there will be a circle. Now in this case there will be one end is stuck with the hemisphere, another end is stuck with the cone, but in this side the diameter of this circle they given, that is 10 centimeter. Then what is the radius? The half of the diameter, that is radius is equal to half of the diameter, as we all know that is 10 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. The radius on both the side of the radius is same, that is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then if the slant height of the cone, the slant height means ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಜಾರುಬಂಡಿ, that means ಓರೆ ರೇಖೆ, that is the slant height is 13 centimeter, that is L is equal to 13 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder? That is H is equal to 20 centimeter. Now find the surface area of the toy. Now we have to calculate the surface area of the toy. That means find the surface area of the toy. That means the total surface area of the toy. So we have to calculate. Now just you have to write the formula first. The combination of the solids, that is area of a toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Okay, so you can do separately, or you can put the formula, add up all the three combination of the solids. Choice is yours. You can do separately. Curved surface area hemisphere, first ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು curved surface area ಅದು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅದು ಕೋನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಮೂರನ್ನೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವು ಅಷ್ಟುದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. That is the curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Now write the formula of curved surface area of hemisphere. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square plus, what is the curved surface area of cylinder? That is 2 pi r h, okay, plus curved surface area of cone, that is pi r l, pi r l. Now take out the common factors from all these three. Okay, 2 pi, there is no 2 here, so we can't take out 2. There will be a pi is there, pi is there, pi is there. Take out pi, and radius is there, radius is there, radius is there. That is, take out the radius and put the bracket and write whatever the remaining things. 1r is come outside, that is r square is there, so remaining 2 is left and r is left, plus 2 is left in this case, and also pi is already come outside, r is, radius is also comes out. Okay, what will be the remaining? H is remaining, plus pi is already take out and r is already take out. What is the remaining? L is the remaining. Now substitute the values. Now pi means 22 divided by 7 into r means, as we all know that r means 5 centimeter. Okay, and L means 13 centimeter, H means 20 centimeter. Just substitute here, that is 5, 2 into r means 5, plus 2 into H means 20, plus L means 13. So 22 divided by 7 into 5. So first simplify within the bracket. 5 2 is 10, plus 20 2 is 40, plus 13. Okay, 22 divided by 7 into 5, that is 40, plus 10 50, plus 13, that is 63. Now the bracket, it will be act as a multiplication. Okay, 7 1s are 7 9s are 63. Now what will be the remaining things? 22 into 5 into 9, that is 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, plus 1 11, 110 into 9, that is 9 into 0 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 990 centimeter square. This will be the area of a combination of the solids of the toy. That same problems, whatever the combination of the solids they given, first you have to write the given. Either it may be they given, sometimes they given the figure, sometimes they won't given. Maximum they given the figure. If they not given, you have to write it the figure. Whatever the given they mentioned in the question, you have to write it by yourself and write the given, read the question properly, understand the problems and write the given, whatever the given, and either whatever the combination of the solids they given, either you have to calculate the curved surface area of the solid separately and add up all in the last, or write all the combination of the solids, whatever the given, the curved surface, in this case curved surface area of the hemisphere plus curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. So add up all this, that means you have to write the formulas. Okay, and take out whatever the common factors in all these formulas and that is in this case pi r is the common factor, and write down within the bracket whatever remaining things, that is 2r plus 2h. Pi r is taken out, pi r is already taken out, remaining is l, 2h, that is 2r. Here 1r is coming out, that means r square means r into r, 1r is coming out, there will be a remaining r. Now you can substitute the values. Pi is 22 divided by 7, r is radius, they given the diameter, so we have to calculate the radius, that is they given the diameter is 10 centimeter, and what about the radius, that is 5 centimeter. 5, 2 into 5 plus 2 into h, they given the height of the cylinder, okay, height of the cylinder 2 into 20 plus the slant height of the cone is 13. To you have to simplify within the bracket first. 5 2s are 10 plus 22s are 40 plus 13, 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 13 63. Now 22 by 7 into 5 into this bracket is act as a multiplication, that is 7 9s 63. So 20 whatever the remaining things you have to be right. So 22 into 5 into 9, that is 22 into 5 means 110 into 9, that is 9 into 110 means 990 centimeter squares. Like this the problems, it will be a very important problem. The combination of the solid, they must and should they will ask in the final examination. Whatever the solids they given, you have to find out all the combination of the solids of the curved surface area and add up all. That's it.